Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share how to make a temporary one-time email address to sign up any website and verify to OTP code. At first I open my web browser and browse the site minuteinbox.com. Here are your one-time email address. You can set up email address expiry time 10 minutes to 1 month. I select 1 hour for expiry time. Now I will show how to sign up a new site and verify OTP code. You can also use another 10-minute temporary email website as like 10minute.com, 10minute.net and others temporary email provider sites. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will help you, please subscribe to our channel, get more update videos.